Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone, but I think I'm only going to be uploading like a video each month. I think so because I have two jobs, you know, I have a family, I have two little ones, like, I don't know, you know, and I like doing the videos and showing my progress, but I think only a video a month is gonna have to do it for me. But I hope everyone's doing okay. I hope everyone's doing great. Thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. But yeah, so what we're going to be talking about today is, this is episode 2 of Sew It Till It's Right, and I used this pattern from the Friday Pattern & Co. company. First of all, let's talk about how nice this shipped. So this is the dress that I made, and it opens like a book, and once you open it, it says, "Good luck with your project, we believe in you," and it's like, yes. And then in comes the instructions, you know, and then the pattern. So it's really nice. I really liked it. It was my first time ordering from them, and I absolutely fell in love with the dress. I like how it fit me. You know, I really like it. And then even here it says easy for knit fabrics, the sunny dress / top. And the top, I'm actually wearing the top right now. I don't know if you can see it, but this is it in all its glory. This is a muslin. I did it just to see how it would fit, and I am gonna make it a little bit longer now that I made it, because I want to use this other fabric for it. But yeah, it's really nice. I really like it. I made this dress 3 times. The first time I made it in this, and it's just like scrap fabric that I made, just to see, you know, the fit, just to see how if the measurements were, you know, correct. Because I do have a square shaped body. I do have a wide back, and I'm just a square, you know. My curves just go in like a few inches, nothing too crazy. So I'm still learning, you know, what goes good, and I made this and I put it on, and I was like, I hope it fits right, and the fit was good. So I made it a second time, and I made it in this same fabric. So I made it a second time, and I made it in this. I made it in this dress, in this fabric, and it looks like a cute little t-shirt, and it comes down as a dress. And see, it cut like a little scalloped hem, and it's okay. It's not perfect, you know, there's little mistakes on it. So I made it a third time, and I used this fabric, and I will put a picture of me wearing this one, not the other two, because I don't think it flatters me very well, but this one flattered me very nicely. See, it's really pretty. The fabric I used was really pretty. I'm gonna post pictures of it towards the end, you know. And then and that's all I made this month, like this past month of February. That's all I made, you know. I made this and I wore it, and I actually got my very first compliments, you know. I love what you're wearing, and I was able to answer like,
thank you, I made it. Yes. You know,
it felt good. It gave me a really good confidence. It just made me feel really good. Like, it was a new confidence. It was something that I haven't experienced yet. So for someone to say, like, you know, and it happened in the same morning, like one after the other. Like, I dropped my kids off at daycare. the daycare teacher said that I looked really pretty. I went to go get some coffee. The coffee people were like, oh, you look pretty. I went to work and my coworkers were like, wow, that dress is really pretty. You know what I mean? So it was just, it was one after the other, and it felt really, really good. And that's it. That's episode 2, and this episode was really, really nice. Like, I really liked Friday Pattern and Co. There's a little wish list that I have with them of little things that I want to purchase. I love their boxing. Like, I love their shipping. I love, you know, I like this. Like if you guys ever order from this company, just, you will not regret it. You know what I mean? It's just really, really pretty. And the instructions were really, really nice. For the second episode, now that I finally found a really cute dress to sew for the summer, obviously I'm going to be sewing it a couple more times. But, you know, hopefully this month of March, I'll be able to sew 2 more things. But for my next project, I found this pattern for shorts through Macau's, you know, and then in the back it shows like 2 pairs, hold on, how can I do this? There, 2 pairs of shorts, capris, and pants, and I hope it fits me. Like, it says size 6, I'm a size 6, so we'll see what the measurements are, and, you know, I hope it fits good, because I want to sew this, you know what I mean? I want to sew myself a cute pair of shorts, and during the summertime, I do live in shorts. During like the winter time here in Arizona, which is more like spring, I live in like not yoga pants, but like workout pants, you know, like the stretchy nylon ones. Yeah, that's what I wear during the spring. And then in the summer, I usually wear a lot of shorts, or, you know, now I'll be rocking this sunny dress for the summer. Yes. But yeah, so hopefully, you know, I'm able to make this. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Yeah, let me know if there's anything. Let me know if any questions, comments, concerns, anything. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Bye.